Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD range bound amid quiet start to the week analysis. http ntvforex.com news ID CBD 5EB 825 2022 24:19 AM AUD Australian dollar. The AUD offered little to excite investors through trade on Monday, maintaining a narrow range and bouncing between 0.7150 and 0.7205. With little headline data available to drive direction, investors' focus remained with broader risk flows choosing to chase positive sentiment and ignore negative developments. Victoria continues to see daily case numbers trend in the right direction while the rest of the country appears to be in control of outbreaks, containing wider community transmission for now. With lockdown restrictions seemingly stemming the spread of infection through Victoria, there is hope community transmission will be back to zero before the end of the year, leaving the door open for a renewed economic rebound. Positive sentiment continues to control direction, allowing the AUD to hold on to gains above 0.70 US cents. Having touched highs above 0.7250, the dollar appears range-bound between 0.7130 and 0.7250, seeking that next catalyst to drive it higher. While the July rally has stalled, there is ample scope for the AUD to trend higher into the end of the year with downward pressure on the USD still in play. We expect the world's base currency will come under renewed selling pressure in the months ahead, opening the door for a run towards 0.73 and 0.74. Of course, there are risks to this outlook as case numbers in Europe continue to rise. Alarmingly, new infections in Germany, France, and Italy have spiked in recent weeks. Should conditions worsen and targeted restrictions fail to contain the spread, we may see a second lockdown period stymie the economic recovery. Key moves across currency markets were largely muted through trade on Monday, with most majors maintaining a narrow range against the world's base currency. The euro tested 1.1850 before retreating toward 1.18-1.1790 and remains largely unchanged on open this morning, while the yen bounced between 105.70 and 106. The Great British Pound moved back below 1.31 and fell against the euro as concerns mount over a lack of progress in Brexit negotiations. Both sides admitted little progress was made in the last round of negotiations, with both sides apportioning blame on the other. With the deadline date looming ever closer, fear the stalemate will not be broken and beginning to mount, capping sterling upside. While markets are refraining from making bets on direction, the longer negotiations continue without a deal being struck, the more volatility we are likely to see. Attentions this week turn to the Bank of England and any sign it will cut interest rates below zero. We expect they will keep rates on hold at 0.1% for now, leaving the door open for further monetary policy adjustments in the future. Expected ranges: AUD 0.7130 US dollars 0.7250 AUD 0.6010 euros 0.6130 GBP 1.7980 Australian dollars 1.8420 AUD NZD 1.0880 1.1050 AUD 0.9380 Canadian dollars 0.9520 Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.